आता पळोवया गोंयच्या बाकीच्या वाठारांतल्यो कांय खबरो.
खासा भुरग्यांच्या प्रश्नांविशीं जागृताय जावची म्हूण गोंयांत 20 ते 24 जानेरा मजगतीं वी कॅर फिल्म फेस्टिवल जावपाचो आसा. फेस्टिवल बिर्ला बिट्स पिलानी कॅम्पस, मडगांवची चौगुले कॉलेज आनी मडगांवच्या रवींद्र भवनांत जातलो.
फिल्म फेस्टिवल वन्स अगेन इन गोवा along with the BITS Pilani Goa campus, Music Mania Foundation, Ravindra Bhavan and our association. We are organizing for the fifth consecutive year in Goa to create awareness on disability issues.
श्रीकृष्णाचे शिकवणेचो संवसारीक पावड्यार प्रसार करपी इस्कॉन संस्थेन जागृती 2015 ही 2 दिसांची कार्यावळ दवरल्या. 24 आनी 25 जानेराक कला अकादमीच्या दिनानाथ मंगेशकर सभाघरांत जावपा आशिल्ले कार्यावळीक लेखक आनी वक्तो सुभाष विलास मार्गदर्शन करतलो.
So to the Jagrati festival, we are trying to give this message of this ancient scriptures in a very profound way, in a very practical way, in a very contemporary way, so that even the modern people can begin to appreciate these values, these teachings, and improve their life and on every level. That is the entire idea behind doing the Jagrati festival. The topics for these 2-day festival: the first day the topic is life's amazing secrets, and the second day the topics are 8 windows to lasting relationships.
गोयचो पयलो सेंट जोझफ वाजाच्या यादीन फातोर्डेच्या अवर लेडी ऑफ रोझरीच्या पॅरिशनरांनी खासा मार्गदर्शन दवरिल्ले. सेंट जोझफ वाजाच्या जिणेचेर म्हायती दिवपी हे प्रदर्शन 25 जानेरा मेरेन उक्ते आसतले.
ह्या फातोर्डेच्या लोकांनी आमच्या दुतनीच्या देव संदेशकारांनी हे ल्हानशें एक्झिबिशन केल्लें आसा. भाग्यवंत जुझे वाजाच्या जिविता वयर आनी हे आमी थोडक्यान दाखयलां की भाग्यवंत जुझेवाज कितलो भाग्यवंत आसलो आनी आमच्या गोंयांत तशेंच श्रीलंकेत ताणें हो भावार्थ ताणें परगट केलो. जेजू आपल्या वावरा वरवीं, आपल्या सेवे वरवीं आनी आपल्या कोन्यांतल्यान ताणें दाखोवन दिलो.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
आय लिगांत स्पोर्टिंग क्लब दी गोवा आनी ईस्ट बंगाला मदली मॅच आयतारा रातीं 1-1 ड्रॉ उरली. स्पोर्टिंगाचो कोच मॅथ्यू डाकोस्ता टिमीच्या खेळाचेर सातिस्वेत दिसता. मॅच ड्रॉ जाली खरी, पूण सर्तीक बरी सुरवात जाल्या म्हूण तो उलयता. दुसरे वटेन ईस्ट बंगालाचो कोच आर्मान कुलास ताचे टिमीचेर बेजारलो.
So what we played in the Federation Cup, which was a completely different one, and today it was completely different. And we missed some key player, and that is, we thoroughly was missed very much. It's the first match, and we got a point. So step by step, we'll gradually move on. Then we matched them in most of our players were playing on the wings. But Bosco coming for the first time in the team. Then there was Mervyn, a youngster, an Indian player, who did very well. Mervyn Moses.
You have to get the confidence back. Confidence not coming. We played miserably, but having said this, 1 point. It's difficult to play in Goa. Team looks tired. But how long we can go on giving excuses? Now is the time to perform. Anyway, away match, I'm taking 1 point. So that's something nice.
Yeah. But some players did perform well, especially in the defense.
No, afterwards in the second half they slacked.
Yeah.
They went down. Everybody went down. There is a long time. This league is a long journey ahead. I'm happy, like I've said, if we were going with 1 point, things would have been difficult if we had to lose this match after scoring. But it's still 1 point, so far everything going on the way it's planned. Because home match we try to win, away match we try to get a point.
इतल्यान खबरांचे त्रांगात सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.